Are you worried about the quality of customer phone cases? Today, we're putting them to the test. We'll run real durability tests to see whether phone cases made with the H17 heat press are strong enough to confidently sell to your customers. We're testing two types of cases. First, a standard slim case, lightweight, great heat dissipation, perfect for everyday use. Second, a 2-in-1 shockproof case, built for stronger drop protection. Let's start with the standard case. Even when stretched aggressively with kiss, the design stays intact. No peeling, no damage. After repeated bending, it snaps right back into shape. No cracking, no wrapping. We soaked it in water and rubbed it repeatedly. No fading, no color loops. It meets true commercial-grade durability standards. Now, let's move on to the 2-in-1 shockproof case. We ran similar tests and then took it further. In our drop test, both the case and the phone remained fully protected. It meets real-world shockproof expectations. The outer shell is stretch-resistant, while the inner layer stays flexible without deforming. Even after multiple washes, the colors remain vibrant and sharp. Whether you prefer the slim everyday feel or maximum impact protection, both options are durable enough to sell with confidence. Click the link below to get the official H17 high-quality phone case supply list and start building a premium customer phone case business today.